students, you're welcome on Learning with L&R, and today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is SNA, Student Nurses Association of India. What is that? The logo of SNA, that is SNA in capital. The Student Nurses Association, popularly known as SNA, is a nationwide organization of nursing students. All the nursing students belongs to India comes under this shelter known as SNA. It was established in 1929 at the time of annual conference of the TNI in Madras. Miss Ellen Jean, the nursing superintendent of General Hospital Madras, was instrumental in forming this association. And every year, one year we have celebrated the conference of TNI and the next year SNA. Okay, SNA is a unit of students, Student Nurses Association, but it also comes under Trained Nurses Association of India. Fine. Then after the establishment of first SNA unit in 1929, the membership grew, the membership enhanced. Ms. I. Dorabaji was appointed as the full-time SNA secretary in 1947. The office was renamed as SNA advisor in 1969. Mrs. Narendra Nagpal was appointed as the first SNA advisor in the year 1973 to 1977. SNA advisors D.K. Singh 1978 to 1979. The office was redesignated as Assistant Secretary cum SNA Advisor. Mr. T. Stephens was appointed to this post 1982-1983, followed by Ms. Jayavanti P. Dolta 1983 to 1996, late retired Ms. Molly David 1996 to 1997, Mrs. Sujana 1998 to 2001, and Mrs. Sheila Sira 2002 to 2003. Present SNA advisor Mrs. Nanthani Subhiya 2004 to till date. The first SNA annual conference was held in Delhi in November 1932. Thereafter, its annual conferences were held biannually with TNI till 1960. Biannually means after every 2 years. 1 year the conference organized by the TNI, and next year TNI also organized the conference for SNA. Then a wide variety of activities are encouraged at all levels of the SNA members, keeping in view aims and objectives of the association. The diversity of activities is derived from the professional, social, cultural and recreational spheres to strengthen curricular and extracurricular activities of the student nurses. The main aim of the SNA, to broad up the personality in a holistic way. The SNA diaries are assessed by the state SNA advisors annually, and the 2 best diaries from each state are then sent to the national SNA advisor for biennial evaluation and awards. On their diaries, everything related to SNA mentioned there. When we celebrate some days related to Student Nurses Association, or health days we are celebrated, or games we are celebrated, sports meets are there. These all kind of activities mentioned in the form of pictures, in the form of letters on their diary, and the 2 best diaries are selected from the state and the best one sent to the national level. These diaries are assessed for professional, educational, extracurricular, social, cultural and recreational activities. These all kinds of things are mentioned on the diary. All categories of student nurses are eligible to participate in exhibitions both as groups as an individual. They can prepare charts, posters on the subjects taught in their course curriculum. And every year when SNA conference going to organize in the states, the head of the member of the TNI organize which kind of posters student can make and how many, from where districts the students participate, That kind of things arranged by the TNI. Then the logo in the year 2007, dedicate your life to others, because we are health professional. The exhibits are competed at the state level, and after through scrutiny, only one best entry at the state level under each category and section is entertained at the national level. All the games, all the things, all the activities we have performed in the state level, from them only one candidate we can send to the national level. There are 150 entries this year in place. Public speaking and writing is encouraged to increase self-confidence and to help them develop communication skills. In order to achieve this, the competition on scientific paper presentations related to the theme or any kind of debates can arranged by the TNI. The students undertaking community projects such as school health projects, health surveys, nutrition surveys, etc. present their report. Regular projects like medical camps, immunization programs, health meals are also undertaken by the student nurses. Then in addition, fundraising activities are also commenced and encouraged. Dynamism and energy of the young who enter the nursing profession are channelized constructively through fine arts, drama, dance, music and painting competitions. Then other activities in the shape of article writing, poetry writing, flower arrangement, cooking, sewing, interior decoration and gardening, etc. are also encouraged. The Student Nurses Association awards scholarships to the student of ANM, GNM and BSc programs. The scholarship may be on monthly based or annually based or only once. An amount of rupees 750 is given for every month, and for 2000 is given as one-time grant for buying books. This amount is given for their entire period of study. If the BSc training is for 4 years, then the students gain the scholarship for total 4 years. Affairs of SNA are managed at the level of unit, state and at national level. At the unit level, the unit executive committee manages SNA affairs. It comprises of the SNA advisor, president, TNI members, vice president who presides over the unit meetings, then secretary, treasurer and the conveners of various committees. At the state level, the state SNA executive committee comprises of the state TNI president as ex officio member, SNA advisor, student vice president, secretary, treasurer, program chairperson and the representatives of units or zones. Then at the headquarters, the SNA General Committee comprises of TNI President, Honorary Treasurers, Secretary General, SNA Advisors, State SNA Advisors and State SNA Vice President and Secretaries. Thank you very much. I hope you have clear with this. If you feel any kind of difficulty, kindly inform me. I'll feel very happy to help.